Today we're at Kountry Wood Products in Napanee, Indiana. JR Metals installed the dust collection system here at Kountry Wood Products. And today we're going to talk about what's the importance of having a dust collection system.
The importance of a system like this, where you have the main dust collection system and the loadout, is to remove all the dust and debris and improve the air quality for the employees.
Now we're going to take a walk inside and look and see how the dust collection system works.
The loadout system that you can see behind me has some flex hose. That's 12-inch VHD hose. The purpose of the flex hose is to give you flexibility as the driver hooks up the trailer to the loadout system. Each of the machines has different requirements, and as you can see, this is a very large installment. So it's an extremely large 46-inch main trunk that's running out of the facility, and each one of those is branched down to the requirements of each machine. Our Flx-Thane product is used here in 4-inch for this saw, versus the large CNC router uses larger diameter Flx-Thane products to capture that dust at the source.
We make it in 5 different wall thicknesses depending on what the application is. This is mostly just sawdust, so we use the Flx-Thane MD. If you're getting to something that's going to have more chunks, like the loadout unit that we talked about earlier, you're going to want the 60-wall polyurethane VHD. Now we're going to talk about the importance of having flexible duct on the CNC machine behind us.
Great benefit of our urethane hoses is the high flexibility of that hose. And in a machine like this, where the machine's constantly moving, it's great to have a high flex hose. In addition to that, dust collection systems need to be grounded, and we do offer Flexaust SD static dissipative products that can be incorporated into your applications as needed.
Some of the applications too, you'll have machines that need metric hoses. We make all the Flx-Thanes in metric sizes as well.
Today we've shown you a dust collection system JR Metals installed here at Kountry Wood Products.
We offer a wide variety of products for the woodworking industry. So if you have any questions about an application, please contact us at flexaust.com. Thanks for watching.